Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And somebody sent me this pansy flower and they want to print it, but they need to get rid of the white background. And I've done a couple of videos like this because they want the original image, and if we trace it to get rid of the background, it's going to mess it up. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus key on the keyboard and make me a copy in case I mess something up. Then I'm going to make a copy and put it over there. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to go to trace. I'm not going to do anything special. I'm just going to trace, clip art trace. Takes just a second, it's done. The copy should be on top. We're going to put it down there. You see, we've already taken away the white background. And also on this particular one, we need to do a couple of things to make it perfect. We need to break this apart, go to Object and ungroup it. And then when we do that, we can use the boundary tool and we can make a boundary around that. But we also have some white in the center. So we need to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then I'm going to left click and right click. But I need to group this together. So instead of grouping it together, I'm just going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now I'm going to move that over, and that's our new object. And because I'm nudging, I can nudge right back. And I'm going to put it on top of our graphic that we really want. And I'm going to go to the intersect tool. I'm going to move that out of the way, and look at that. We have that perfect flower with all the white removed, and that would print. And you also, by doing that, you've gotten that white away from that. You can see that that's white in the background, but now we have all the white is gone, even that center part. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.